After 17 years in HVAC and a background as a nuclear power electrician, I learned the shiny stickers don't matter as much as how a unit is built to survive the real world. Today, we're looking at a basic tier matchup between the Airease A7H P14F and the Coleman TH4. These are entry-level ducted split heat pumps, but there's a massive difference in how they protect your investment. When I pull the panel off a unit, the first thing I look at is the coil protection. The Coleman uses slotted panels, which is a step up from a flimsy wire guard, but it still doesn't beat the Airease A7H P14F. The Airease comes with a full louvered coil guard. In the field, that's the difference between a hailstorm being a non-event versus a $2,000 repair bill for a punctured coil. On the technical side, the Airease A7H P14F is a single-stage machine. As an electrician, that means it's simple, but it hits the grid hard with a high inrush of current when it kicks on. The Coleman TH4 is also single-stage, but it pushes a slightly higher efficiency at 8.1 HSPF2 compared to the Airease's 7.5 HSPF2. That 8.1 rating means the Coleman will squeeze a bit more heat out of every kilowatt when the mercury drops. For equipment alone, you're looking at roughly $2,100 to $2,800 for these entry-level condensers. For a full professional installation, the Airease typically lands between $7,950 and $8,250. The Coleman TH4 usually hits between $7,500 and $7,950 installed, so you aren't seeing a huge price gap. Keep those coils clean or you're just throwing money out the window. Both brands offer the industry standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty provided you register the unit. In this basic tier, neither one offers a full unit replacement warranty, so a failed compressor in year 5 gets you a new pump, not a whole new outdoor unit. Both are manufactured in the USA, so getting replacement parts shouldn't be a nightmare. Here is the verdict. I would choose the Airease A7H P14F. Even though the Coleman has a slight edge in efficiency, I prefer the Airease's true louvered panels over the Coleman's slotted panels any day. In the field, a protected coil is a reliable coil, and that saves more money over 10 years than a fraction of an HSPF 2 point ever will. Shop like a pro and use my comparison tool to compare other brands. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.